Real bakery conversation.
Welcome. What would you like today?
Good morning. Everything smells amazing. What do you recommend?
Our croissants are fresh out of the oven, and the banana bread is also very popular.
I'll take 2 croissants, please.
Sure, plain or with chocolate.
1 plain and 1 with chocolate, please.
Good choice. Would you like anything else?
Yes. Do you have any birthday cakes?
Yes, we have small cakes ready, or we can make a custom one.
A custom one, please. It's for my daughter's birthday tomorrow.
How lovely. What flavor would you like?
Chocolate, please, with vanilla frosting.
Perfect. What size would you like, and how many people is it for?
About 10 people, so a medium size should work.
Great. It'll be ready by 5 p.m. today. Is that okay?
Yes, that works perfectly. What's the total?
With the croissants, that's $35 in total.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Tap here, please.
Done.
Payment approved. Thank you for your order.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Come back tomorrow to pick up the cake.
I will. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Buying a bus ticket.
Good morning. Welcome to the bus station. How can I help you?
Good morning. I need a ticket to Chicago, please.
Sure, one way or round trip.
Round trip, please. I'm coming back on Sunday.
Okay, what time would you like to leave today?
Is there a bus in the afternoon?
Yes, we have one at 2 p.m. and another at 4:30 p.m.
I'll take the 2 p.m. bus, please.
Good choice. That's gate 5. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, 1 suitcase.
All right, there's no extra charge for 1 bag.
How much is the round trip ticket?
It's $45 in total.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Of course, tap or insert your card here.
Done.
Payment approved.
Thank you.
Here's your ticket and receipt.
What time should I arrive at the gate?
Please arrive 15 minutes before departure.
Okay, I will. This is actually my first time taking a long bus trip.
Don't worry, it's very comfortable. You'll be fine.
That's good to hear. Is there a bathroom on the bus?
Yes, every bus has one.
Great, thank you for all the information.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Enjoy Chicago. Goodbye.
Mexican food truck.
Hi there. Welcome to Taco Time. What can I get you?
Hi. What do you recommend?
Our chicken tacos are very popular. Or you can try the beef burrito.
I'll go with 3 chicken tacos, please.
Good choice. Would you like the mild, medium, or spicy?
Medium, please. Not too hot.
No problem. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes. Do you have any fresh juice?
Yes, we have mango and orange juice.
I'll take the mango juice, please.
Great. Anything else? We also have chips and guacamole.
Sure. I'll add a small chips and guacamole, too.
Perfect. Your total is $15.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Tap your card here.
Done.
Payment approved. It'll take about 5 minutes to prepare.
No problem. I'll wait here.
Sounds good. Is this your first time trying our food truck?
Yes, actually. A friend recommended it to me.
I hope you enjoy it. Here's your order. Freshly made.
Wow, it smells amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
I will. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Missing the flight.
Excuse me. I think I missed my flight. Can you help me?
Let me check. Yes, I'm sorry, that flight has already departed.
Oh no, this is terrible. What are my options?
Don't worry, we can rebook you on the next available flight.
Okay, when is the next one?
There's a flight in 3 hours at 6 p.m.
Will I need to pay an extra fee?
There's a small rebooking fee of $50 since you missed the original flight.
That's okay. I understand. I'll pay it.
Great. How would you like to pay?
By card, please.
Here you go. Payment approved. Here's your new boarding pass.
Thank you. I'm so relieved. I thought I'd be stuck here all day.
It happens sometimes. Please arrive earlier next time, just in case.
I will, definitely. Is there a place to get food while I wait?
Yes, there are several restaurants near Gate 8.
Thank you for all your help. I was really stressed.
You're welcome. Everything will be fine now.
I appreciate your patience with me.
Of course. Have a safe flight this time.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Safe travels.
Grocery shopping conversation.
Hi! Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, thank you. I found everything I needed.
Great. Do you have a loyalty card with us?
No, I don't have one. Can I get one today?
Sure. I can sign you up right now. It only takes a minute.
That would be great. Thank you.
Can I have your name and phone number, please?
Yes, it's Chloe Smith, and my number is 555-7842.
Perfect. You're all set. You'll get points on today's purchase, too.
That's wonderful. How many points do I have now?
You have 25 points from today's shopping.
Great. Thank you. What's my total?
Your total today is $64.30.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes. Tap or insert your card here.
Done.
Payment approved. Would you like a paper or digital receipt?
A digital receipt, please. Can you send it to my email?
Sure. Just enter your email on the screen.
Done. Thank you.
Thank you for shopping with us today.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Calling a restaurant.
Good evening. Thank you for calling Tony's Pizza. How can I help you?
Good evening. I'd like to order a pizza for delivery, please.
Sure. What size and toppings would you like?
A large pizza with pepperoni and mushrooms, please.
Great choice. Would you like to add any sides or drinks?
Yes. Can I also get garlic bread and a bottle of soda?
Of course. Can I have your delivery address, please?
Yes. It's 245 Maple Street, apartment 3B.
Got it. And your phone number, in case we need to contact you?
It's 555-3021.
Perfect. Let me confirm your order. A large pepperoni and mushroom pizza, garlic bread, and a soda.
Yes, that's correct.
Your total is $28, and delivery time is about 40 minutes.
That sounds good. Can I pay with card when it arrives?
Yes, our driver accepts cash or card at the door.
Great. Thank you.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, that's all for now.
Perfect. Your order will arrive in about 40 minutes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Ordering food.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi. I'd like 2 cheeseburgers, please.
Sure. Would you like it as a combo with fries and a drink?
Yes, that sounds good. What drinks do you have?
We have soda, lemonade, and iced tea.
I'll have 2 lemonades, please.
Great choice. What size fries would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
All right. Would you like any sauce with that?
Yes. Ketchup and mayonnaise, please.
No problem. Anything else for you today?
Actually, can I also add a small apple pie for my wife?
Of course. So that's 2 cheeseburgers combo with medium fries, 2 lemonades, and an apple pie.
Yes, that's correct.
Your total is $32.50.
Okay. Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept all major cards. Tap here, please. Done. Payment approved. Your order number is 47.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 5 minutes. We'll call your number when it's ready.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Renting a bike.
Good afternoon. Welcome to City Bike Rentals. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I'd like to rent a bicycle for a few hours.
Sure. Do you want a regular bike or an electric one?
What's the difference in price?
The regular bike is $10 per hour, and the electric one is $15 per hour.
I'll take the regular bike, please.
Good choice. How many hours would you like?
3 hours should be enough.
Perfect. May I see your ID, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Do you know how to use the gears?
Actually, this is my first time riding a bike like this.
No problem. I'll show you quickly before you go.
I'd really appreciate that.
This lever changes gears, and these are the brakes.
Okay, that makes sense. Is a helmet included?
Yes, here's a helmet. Please wear it for safety.
I will. What's the total for 3 hours?
That's $30 in total.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Of course. Tap your card here.
Done.
Payment approved. Please return the bike by 5 p.m.
Got it. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your ride and be careful on the roads.
I will. Goodbye.
Have fun. Goodbye.
Comment which conversation was hardest for you.